Okay, this is the 1st of May 2012. This is Samesh Deswat, and I'm just going to run through my trades for the day and just show you how well these breakout strategies are working. So, first of all, we have Apple. Now, with this trade, I didn't actually wait for an opening range, although I could have. The opening range really was these first 3 bars, 4 bars, and then the break of this high over here. In fact, as we opened up and the open of the day, the stock was so strong that I decided that this was definitely going to be a profitable trade. So my first entry was around this area over here. Once I saw this very strong bullish bar, I entered and exited when it pulled back into this area over here. The second trade I took was at the breakout of this opening range, and I caught a nice bit of profit all the way to this area over here. So on the first bit of this trade, I took from 587, around 587 area, to 590, so about $3. And again on the second part of the trade, 592, and I closed that at 595. So in total, total profit for this trade was $6. Now, if you were trading a account of 1,000 shares, would have been a profit of $6,000. Now my account isn't that big, but I don't actually take trades like that, although I do paper trade this this stock. And with paper trading, you know, you can, just like buying stocks, you can vary the size of your trade. And I think I took this trade at one pound per pip. So over 600 pips. I think I netted with commissions or spread around 570 pips or so, give and take a few. Great, so that was a really good trade. Nice start to the day. Now the second trade of the day, I had a few problems with my charting software. TC2000 for some reason wasn't working this morning, and sort of messed around with the rest of my trading. So basically didn't have access to watch lists, and when something like that, the computing goes wrong, you really realize how much you rely on your systems and your technology to work optimally, so that you can produce optimum results. Anyway, I'll let you know what these trades were, just so you get an idea. What I was looking for is a breakout of the opening range, and I'll just draw the range in here. This was the range for Arch Coal, and I was going to go short here, and I did actually enter, and straight away the trade reversed and stopped me out around my stop loss of around 25 pips. So not a very good trade, and to tell the truth, one of the things that you learn with trading is to really follow the direction of the market. So although this was a short trade, I shouldn't have been taking any shorts at this point, as the market was rallying and going higher. So good lesson, don't take shorts as the market is going higher. because you're relatively going against the tide. And as you can see from this example, although the market was rallying, ACI was pulling back, but then rally back up with the market. So not very reliable going against the market. You've got to just go with the market. Really, that's the way to do it. Okay, the third trade of the day was nice trade actually. This was really nice and profitable. This one, I think I pulled in about 20 30 cents a share. That's not too bad. And I'll just show you this trade. So opening range 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is opening range. Held nicely at the 10 period moving average. So holding nicely there, which is really good. Again, if my charts were working properly, I would have probably picked up a few more nice trades like this, but the crashing of TC 2000 didn't really help today. But anyway, this was a nice trade, so nothing to worry about. I went long at the break of the opening range and exited at this point over here, which was a good exit because as you can see, the share went right down again, and I would have exited at a lower point. So I was holding on to a nice little profit at this point, so I didn't really want to lose any of the profit. And what I was doing is I was basically trailing my stop below the low of the bar, and that works out quite nicely. Let's see, I got in around 32.65 and 33.12. So with the spread, say, yeah, so about 40 cents or so. Yeah, 40 cents. Yeah, it was nice. It was a nice little earn actually. Okay, next one. This is Huntsman. Again, I did exactly the same thing I did with ACI coal. I made the mistake of going against the market, and I looked at this, and the charts weren't working properly, so I guess I was a bit hurried and I wasn't really following the rules. So I went short here. I saw there was a bit of volume on the short side, and I thought, okay, this might be a trade that's going to fill the gap, as about 70% of gaps get filled. But immediately I went short. What happened? I retraced and I exited with about a 25 cent loss on this one as well. I think actually a little bit less loss on this one was because I did see a lot of volume coming in at this point, and I thought I'd rather scratch it than turn into a bigger loss. And as you can see, it rallied up again, but also you can see that it held within the opening range there. That was a nice resistance for this trade. We'll never see this trade might put in a good move in the last hour of the US session. Okay, so on to the next trade. Pfizer. Okay, so Pfizer, yeah, not actually didn't really go much. I saw it pulling in a bit of volume on this area. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. This was a false breakout over here, but I caught it somewhere just above the high of the day, or the opening, or actually the close of yesterday. This is this yellow line here. As it broke through there, I got in there and exited over there. So very small profit. I don't think I made anything above the spread. Maybe 20, no, maybe 5, 10 pips or 10 cents. Nothing to write home about at all. So at the end of the day, we had, out of all the trades, we had 3 winning trades. What was great about that, they were large ones, and in fact they far outweighed the smaller ones. We had 2 losses and 1 break even trade. But at the end of the day, a nice day of trading and some nice profits. And tomorrow, hopefully, the charts will be working well, and I won't get distracted by any of these stupid trades. Okay, I hope you had a good day trading yourself, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.